Ladies and gentlemen, the first tower, you will feel a little swing in the cabin that is perfectly normal. It is just the cabin leveling out to a position. We apologize for the weather today. It is really a beautiful view out there. You can't tell it, but you're welcome to move around. It will not hurt your cabin, of course.
You see the river and everything from back here.
You're actually at the building, because otherwise you can head back to City Hall.
Young man's popular.
Yeah.
Tribune? Ellie,
Canby Herald. Danielle.
Wow. That's pretty cool.
I think I like going over the bar.
yeah, lightning rod. Okay, come on, you can come up front. I know you want to go. Sit there blocking you off. We're about 70. Oh, did he?
Yeah, right now you're going about 70. That just makes it more exciting.
Oh, that's pretty cool, isn't it?
Oh, it's okay.
You will feel a few bumps docking. That is perfectly normal also.
So this is where they... Right here.
Young men's popular.
So what do you think? Do you like it?
This is better. Yes.
Thank you. What do you think, bud?
I think it's nice.
It's a good ride?
Yeah.
Would you recommend other people take it?
Would you bring your friend on board?
What?
Would you bring your friend on board and ride? Thank you. That's what I like to hear. Thank you very much.
You gonna go look at the front? You gonna go look in the front?
Sometimes I get a little background. You know that connection's there.
No, it's good.
We'll have this tree between now and the
Now we have to
They have to close those windows down, huh? There's no scary. There's scary to be
Is that right?
And you scares the dreams. Roll it out.
Everything's fine.
Actually, it is.
No, of course it is.
All it is the cabin leveling out.
Go. Now we're descending.
It's more like a Disney ride. Kind of fun. Nothing to see here. Everything's normal. You think you're going to be able to pull up the truck? Which would be amazing, and a lot of times it would be we just need to go look at this.